here nowadays agriculture is having a many development in that particular field because of the technology. In recent technology, let me see the based upon many products. Here we are discussing about Java-based soil field developed in agriculture manner. So normally in agriculture, it's a base of our India. So it's a main part of our India. So we have to develop, we have to concentrate in that development in a particular agricultural environment. So nowadays many technologies are appeared in the same field. So today we are going to discuss this problem statement based on that and how we can develop that particular project based on that Java. Okay. So let us start our discussion.
Hello everyone, I am Soundria. I am here to explain about the main core applications of Java applications in the agriculture that is based on the fertilizers recommendations. Here main system components used is soil analysis module. Here we will analyze the soil condition. Based on the soil condition only we will get to know what type of fertilizers to be provided, given to the soil, and what type of crops that will be suitable to grow in that surroundings and in that soil. So next comes crop requirement module. As said, we need to know the requirements of the crops for its growth. So by knowing the requirements of the crops only, we can decide whether to plant this certain fields in this soil, whether this soil will fulfill the requirements of the planting. And next comes fertilizer database. So fertilizers also, we should have a certain timetable, routine to provide the fertilizer. It can't be provided as regularly or in an abnormal manner. It should be we should have a certain time and amount of fertilizer that should be given. So to know that, we have a fertilizer database and fertilizer recommendation module. So based on the requirements of the crops and the requirements of the soil, we'll get to know the requirement, what fertilizer that should be recommended to the plant. These are the system components.
Hello everyone, I am Purni from 2nd CSCC. I am here to explain about the system workflow. First, the soil analysis data collection, which means it collects the data, the soil, the type of the soil, which type of soil should be used for the fertilizer. And next is the crop selection. Crop selection will select the crop for the soil, this crop will be useful for this soil. And next is the fertilizer recommendation. Fertilizer recommendation output. So that output will be recommend the fertilizers for this which suitable for the soil and which suitable for this crop. And further will be explained by Srimati.
Hello everyone, I am Srimati from 2nd year CSCC. We all know that agriculture is the backbone of our Indian economy. So for this, I am going to explain about the some applications of Java where it is used in smart farming. So if we take as an empathy, the farmers they are unable to crop schedule. That is at which time the particular crop has to be cultivated. They are unaware of it. So by introducing Java programming, we can find that we can help the farmers to solve their problem. And also there is livestock tracking. Basically in agriculture, livestock plays a major role where the farmers they have different livestocks in large amounts. So if they are unable to if they lose their livestock, then it will be very difficult for them to survive further. So that Java programming is used to collect the data. And also weathering patterns are also calculated using the Java programming. It collects the data of the weather and it stores it so that it makes the farmer easily to identify which crop to be sown in which weather. Further explanation will be given by Sudiksha.
Tell me how you can implement in agriculture field. What are the developments which nowadays going on in agriculture? Discuss your points, any points. So nowadays disease and all is spreading all agricultural field. Even if you are taking cauliflower, it is having many diseases. We can analyze the disease based on an image processing. We can analyze the disease in a particular plant. It may be any type of plant.
So I think I can take over from Sumiksha because she is not very well and something. I'm Sanjay. Now I'm going to tell about prototype in Java that is used in agriculture in the field of recommendation of fertilizers in the soil types. So while coming on to prototype, it is the main part in design thinking which we use in our SNS institutions. And prototype is the idea which is coming into the MVP, which is minimum viable product. It is a prototype. It is also a working model. So why we have to choose Java means Java has OOPS principle. That is object-oriented programming. Why we have to choose the OOPS principles means there are data redundancy and data availability and data hiding. There are many principles like inheritance, polymorphism, something like that. So we have to use Java, and also while sowing there are many fertilizers which will suitable for many soil types. So we cannot judge the soil types are same as everywhere in the world. So every place has a own soil type. And why we have to use Java means Java there are many programming languages like Python, C++, and why have to we choose and opt Java means it has OOPS principle. That's the main reason. And also the libraries which we have used. And from Java only JavaScript is available. JavaScript has many libraries like React, Express, Angular, and many libraries are created upon JavaScript. And so by using Java, we can able to build the applications and we can